Want to change just one part of your AI image, like a jacket, a background, or a prop, without starting over? Midjourney's Smart Select tool makes it super easy. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to restyle your image in seconds. First, open your image in Midjourney's editor. Click on Upload Image. Select the object you want to change using Smart Select. Let's say Fluffy Cat. Click once and Midjourney will automatically highlight it with precision. Now you've got two options: erase it completely or regenerate it using a new prompt. Let's go with regenerate. I'll type, replace the fluffy cat with a small golden retriever puppy. Boom! Midjourney replaces just that part, keeping the rest of the image intact. You can use Smart Select to swap backgrounds without touching the subject. Change hairstyles, accessories, or facial expressions. Recolor specific elements like shoes, bags, or even lighting effects. It's perfect for creators who want control without complexity. And that's it! Smart Select gives you precision editing with zero hassle. If you want a deeper dive into retexture or layer tools next, stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick AI tips. See you next time!